Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Trello account to your Pipedrive CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Trello to your Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it can be time consuming to share information. So by linking your Pipedrive to Trello, it helps automate a lot of information, and you can share it between your organization. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link your Trello account, what you're going to do is click on this little puzzle icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you're going to click on Browse Marketplace. Okay, once you do that, you're going to click into the search bar and then just type in Trello and then search. Okay, so here is the app right here. So click on the Trello logo. All right, now Pipedrive is going to let you know a little bit of information on connecting your Trello to Pipedrive. So read through that. If you're okay with that, click on Authorize. It's a green button here at the bottom. Okay, a quick second later, Trello opens up Trello Workspace. I'm already logged in. If you're not logged in, it's going to ask you to log in, and it'll bring you directly to this page. So what you want to do is click on Add Power Up. It's a blue button here on the top right. Okay, next you want to choose which boards you're going to share with your Pipedrive. So I just have one board, so I'm going to click here, right? And then you want to read through this. This is the information that's going to be shared between Trello and Pipedrive. If you're okay with that, click on the blue Add button. Okay, next Trello refreshes, and as you can see, we've added the power up. So the Pipedrive power up has been added to your video project, so you can actually go directly to the board. Okay, so it brought me here to my project, and what you're going to want to do is up here on the top menu, you're going to look for Pipedrive field settings. Okay, once you do that, it's asking, do you want to authorize Pipedrive access? If you're okay with that, they do let you know it's going to authorize Pipedrive to access your Trello. I'm okay with that, so I'm going to click Link Pipedrive account. Okay, next Pipedrive opens up this permission screen, so you need to choose the user. For me, I'm going to go ahead and leave it at only me. However, you can make it available to all users or a specific user. That's up to you. And I'm going to click on next. And next, Pipedrive warns you that Trello is going to have access to this information. If you're okay with that, click on allow and install. Okay, next you see this pop up. They're asking me to finalize connection between Pipedrive and Trello. They do let you know this allows Pipedrive to add cards to your Trello board. So click on link Trello account. Okay, next Trello opens up this authorization screen. So read through this. If you're okay with that, click on allow down here at the bottom. Okay, finally it says setup complete. I have successfully added the Pipedrive power up to my Trello board. So I'm going to close this out. Okay, next the page refreshes, and I'm still here in Trello. And if you want to confirm that Pipedrive is connected to your Trello, up here on the right, you're going to click on power ups. Okay, and then if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see Pipedrive. So the Pipedrive power up automatically creates Trello cards when you start, close, or move a deal. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Trello to your Pipedrive CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.